In the quiet corners of your home, where clutter often accumulates and small irritations build, the Ceroelda Small Bathroom Trash can introduces a level of calm that feels almost luxurious for such a simple object. From the soft closing lid to the slim, elegant profile, this compact stainless steel bin is designed not just to hold waste, but to create a cleaner, more peaceful environment in the places where you spend the most time, whether that is a bathroom, bedroom, office, or dorm room. What makes this product special is not one dramatic feature, but the way every detail works together to remove friction from daily life and replace it with smooth, intuitive function. The silent soft close lid is one of the most noticeable upgrades this trash can bring into a room. Instead of the jarring slam of a conventional bin, the lid gently lowers itself every time, creating a quieter, more refined experience that is especially valuable in bedrooms, offices, and shared spaces. The stay open function adds even more flexibility, allowing you to push the lid back at a 90-degree angle so it remains open during cleaning, makeup routines, or extended use, then return to automatic closing when you're finished. This thoughtful balance between control and automation makes the bin feel like it adapts to your routine rather than forcing you to adapt to it. The slim rectangular design is perfect for modern living spaces where every inch matters. This trash can fit neatly beside toilets, between cabinets, under sinks, and next to desks without blocking movement or drawing attention to itself. Its clean white finish and stainless steel construction give it a modern, elevated look that blends naturally into almost any decor, whether your space is minimalist, cozy, or contemporary. Instead of being an eyesore, it quietly enhances the room, making everything feel more intentional and organized. Inside, the removable plastic liner bucket makes daily use effortless. When it is time to empty the trash, you simply lift out the liner, dispose of the contents, rinse it if needed, and place it back in. This keeps the outer shell clean and odor-free while making maintenance quick and hygienic. A carry handle on the back of the bin allows you to move it easily for cleaning or repositioning, which is especially useful in small bathrooms or tight spaces where maneuverability matters. The step pedal mechanism is engineered for durability and comfort. Made from rust-resistant metal and designed to require minimal force, it allows hands-free operation that keeps germs away while ensuring smooth, reliable performance over time. The non-slip base keeps the bin stable on tile, hardwood, or carpet, preventing it from sliding or tipping when you use the pedal point. One of the most impressive features is the built-in deodorizing system. With an integrated odor filter and a tightly sealed interior, the trash can trap smells inside and keeps the surrounding air fresh. This is a game changer in small rooms where even a little waste can quickly make the space feel unpleasant. Whether it is bathroom products, food wrappers, or general household trash, the odors stay contained, allowing your room to remain clean and inviting. Key features and benefits: silent soft close lid for quiet operation, stay open function for convenient slim rectangular design for small spaces, removable inner bucket for easy cleaning, durable metal step pedal built and deodorizing filter pros. Elegant design enhances any room. Hands-free operation improves hygiene. Odor control keeps spaces fresh, compact, yet practical size, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: smaller capacity than kitchen bins, requires periodic odor filter replacement. Final verdict: the Ceroelda Small Bathroom Trash can prove that even the smallest upgrade can have a powerful effect on how your home feels. By combining quiet operation, odor control, and a sleek, space-saving design, it turns a basic household item into something that genuinely improves daily life. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this refined solution belongs in your space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.